Hello, Komal.
Hi Kanchan, how are you?
Yeah, I'm very good. Thank you. How about you?
I'm also good, a bit nervous. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We will just wait for more 5 minutes so everyone will join the call. Okay, then I'll introduce to you. I'll just take 2 minutes to introduce you. Then you can start. Okay. And just remember, we will have a 40 minutes only. Within that 40 minutes, you have to complete. Okay.
Okay, but I think it's already late, so it would be like 35 minutes I will take,
Yes,
no?
yes, you can consider because after 35 to 40 minutes, the session will get automatically expired.
Okay, okay. So let's see when people will join. Okay.
Yeah,
I'll do
yeah.
accordingly.
We will just wait for 2 to 3 minutes, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Okay, okay. यहाँ तो सूरज होएंगे बिकॉज़ यहाँ पे Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to conduct webinar on the topic corporate wellness through yoga. The today's speaker is Komal Pandey. She is a professional certified yoga trainer, and she will introduce us how to manage stress and which yoga postures will be helpful to increase our productivity at work. Komal, over to you.
Thank you, Kanchan. Thank you so much. Let me share my PPT with you guys.
Okay.
I hope I'm audible and you can see my
Yes.
PPT. Okay. Thank you, Kanchan. Thanks a lot. Okay. Namaste, everyone. Thank you for joining today's session. How's the energy?
Hi.
How's this energy of today's webinar? Can you comment on the chat section so that I can know? How's the Josh, guys? Can you please comment on it if it is possible for you guys? Okay, hi, very good. Okay, so let's begin with the high energy. Our webinar will start. So today's session basically focus on how yoga can be used as a scientific and practical tool for working employee in the corporate sector. You all are working in a corporate, and you more than me, you know what kind of difficulties you are facing during your work hours because of the health issues. So let me begin this webinar with the one question. What is the most valuable asset of any organization? Is it a capital? Is it a technology? Or is it a infrastructure? What you will think? The answer is, I think everybody knows that you guys are the valuable asset of the organization, right? But what is happening in nowadays? We live in an era of constant deadline, right? So, uh, we live in an era in a constant deadlines, digital overload, and performance pressure. Because of this, the boundaries are blurred between professional life and the personal life. So we need something which can cure our problem in between our working hours. So we'll do something which can help you to get a perfect give us perfect life while working in a corporate. Okay, and researches has been shown that 70 to 80% employees experience work-related stress that will lead to fatigue, musculoskeletal pain, and lifestyle disease. So, if we want our organization to be healthy and happy, we need something that can cater all of these things. So, yoga is that tool which you can include in your life during the working hours, and you will definitely feel much more better than previous things. Okay. So I just want some feedback from you guys that how many of you are going through all this? Some will go for the poor posture and back pain. I definitely know because in my family and in my friends, because I'm an ex-engineer, so my all of my friends, family, and lots of relatives are in corporate sector. So they used to tell me that we are facing this kind of problem. So I'm very much sure that not everyone, but some of you are going through. So can you comment on the chat box that so that I can know if you are feeling through posture and back pain, you can type one, and I already pinned on the chat section so that I can know how many of you are going through this all. And why this is happening? Because of prolonged working hours and very little break. And can you see that on a chat section? It would be very helpful for me if you type or if you'll give me your feedback. Type just one, two, three, four, or none. You can write none also. If you're very healthy, maybe you're doing yoga. So yeah. Okay, one, most of the people are typing one, three. Okay. So poor posture and back pain. If you are working for very long, you are you are feeling bad. You are feeling because of bad postures. Okay. If you do 1 to 2 minutes of asanas or any warm up, then definitely this will thing help you. तो यहाँ पे ये है, अगर आप बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर, who are feeling eye strain, headaches, that can, if we'll do some eye movements during the work, that will definitely help for you guys. I will give you some asanas or little bit of pranayam and meditation practice, which you can do during the work hours. Okay. तो यहाँ पे हम ये देखते हैं कि ऐसे हम रिलैक्सेशन के लिए कोशिश करते हैं, तब हम क्या करते हैं, मोबाइल निकालते हैं, हम ऑलरेडी 10+ आवर्स क्या कर रहे हैं, मोबाइल पे स्क्रीन के सामने बैठ रहे हैं, और उसके बाद जब हमको रिलैक्स करना रहता है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, इंस्टाग्राम स्क्रॉल करना चालू कर देते हैं, स्टेटस देखना चालू कर देते हैं, तो वो रिलैक्सेशन नहीं होता, वो फिर हमारा स्क्रीन टाइम को और इंक्रीज कर देता है. सो इफ यू डू लिटिल बिट एक्सरसाइज ड्यूरिंग योर वर्किंग आवर्स और मूवमेंट्स ड्यूरिंग योर वर्किंग आवर्स, that will definitely gonna help you. So before going further, I just want a little bit one more question from you guys. What do you think? What is yoga? You can just say yoga is relaxation or asana or whatever you know about the yoga. You can type it. I am seeing. I'm waiting for your response. You can type it. What is yoga in just one word, or relaxation? Okay. And what about others? Stretching, definitely. Okay. Maybe you can write asana and pranayam, meditation. You heard of it, right? तो आप वहां पे बिल्कुल लिख सकते हैं. ओके, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर मोर रिस्पॉन्स. कम ऑन गाइस, आपकी एनर्जी हाई करिए. पीस, नाइस, वेरी नाइस. ओके. ओके, वैसे टुडे इज फ्राइडे. आई नो हाफ डेज यू आर डन और ऑल यू गाइस आर इन पार्टी माइंड, राइट? सो मे बी द रिस्पॉन्स इज स्लो. आपको बैठा दिया है योगा के लिए, बट आपके माइंड में पार्टी था. It's okay. Okay. So basically, yoga is not just relaxation, is stretching, and this includes yoga. But yoga is more than that. This is not an asana. Okay, asana is a part of yoga. This is not yoga. Yoga is the way of life. And if I want to give the definition, these two definitions are my favorite, because these two definitions totally connect in today's world. First one is given by the Patanjali, Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha, and the second one is Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam. What does it mean? Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. चित्त की वृत्तियों चित्त की वृत्ति का निरोध करना ही योग है. What is चित्त वृत्ति? चित्त वृत्ति is just fluctuation of the mind. क्या होता है, हम आज के डेज में जब भी अपना कुछ काम करते रहते हैं, जैसे राइट नाउ आई एम टेकिंग वेबिनार, बट मेरा माइंड बैक में कुछ और भी चल रहा होगा, राइट? जैसे आप अपना काम कर रहे हैं, प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हैं, डेडलाइन मीट कर रहे हैं, मेल कर रहे हैं, बस उसके बैक एंड में आपको चल रहा होगा, जैसे अभी कि मुझे शाम को कहाँ पार्टी करने जानी है बिकॉज इट्स फ्राइडे, या मैं शाम को कहाँ डिनर पे जाऊंगा, ऑल 5 days आफ्टर वर्किंग फॉर 5 days. तो क्या होता है, हम जहां पे रहते हैं उसके अलावा भी हमारा दिमाग क्या करता है, इधर उधर घूमता रहता है. तो योगा क्या करता है, इस माइंड के फ्लक्चुएशन को रोकने का काम करता है. अगर आपका माइंड का फ्लक्चुएशन रुक जाना ही क्या कहलाता है, योग है. दैट इज गिवन बाय महर्षि पतंजलि, हु इज द, यू कैन से, हु इज द फादर ऑफ योगा. Okay, and second one is also a very good definition, that is yoga karmasu kausalam. Yoga is excellence in action. That is coming from the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, this verse is also saying the same thing but in a different way. जो आप काम कर रहे हैं, कर्म की कुशलता ही योग है. Whatever you are doing, you should do with your 100% perfection. You should not be like कि अगर हम यहाँ आए तो सिर्फ यही होना चाहिए. उसको अपने 100% का देना क्या कहलाता है, योग कहलाता है. So that's why I like this two definition, because in today's world, this two definition is fitting properly. Okay. So yoga is a one-stop solution. Why I was saying, because it will cater all of your things. Okay. अगर आपको mental problem है, physical problem है, या spirituality में आप जाना चाहते हैं, तो भी वो आपकी need को cater करता है. And one more thing यहाँ पे मैं बताना चाहूंगी, origin of yoga. Yoga is originated in ancient India, but नो सिंगल पर्सन और एग्जैक्ट डेट डिफाइन इट्स बिगिनिंग. ओके, तो ये कह सकते हैं कि जब से इंसान है वो कुछ ना कुछ अपने आप को अच्छा करने के लिए योग बना. और योग पहले ऐसा था, वेद में था, उपनिषद में था, एकदम प्रॉपरली कंपाइल्ड नहीं था. बट आफ्टर कमिंग टू द पतंजलि, महर्षि पतंजलि, उन्होंने योग सूत्र दिया, विच इज नोन एज अ बाइबल ऑफ योगा. ओके, तो वहां पे उन्होंने सारे नॉलेज को कंबाइन किया. अर्लियर टाइम्स में क्या होता था, गुरु शिष्य को वर्बली नॉलेज पास ऑन करते थे. सो दैट इज द थिंग पतंजलि डिड, कि उन्होंने कंपाइल किया नॉलेज और योग सूत्र नाम की बुक निकाली, पतंजलि योग सूत्र की. और इफ यू विल डन एनीथिंग लाइक टीचर ट्रेनिंग और आपने कहीं योगा कहीं और सुना होगा पढ़ा होगा तो आप इस बुक के बारे में आप जरूर जानेंगे क्योंकि दिस इज द बेसिक बुक हम पढ़ते हैं जब हम योग को स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो आई नॉट गो फर्दर ऑन दैट. एंड जस्ट आई वांट जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया आई वांटेड टू टेल यू अगेन दैट योगा इज नॉट एन आसना, नॉट एन मेडिटेशन, not pranayama. Okay. If we'll go for the Ashtanga yoga, we'll see that there is a eight limb. What is the eight limb? Yam, Niyam, Asan. Here the Asan come. That is third limb of the yoga. Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi. Okay. What is Yama? Yama is that social conduct. What we should do to others, how we should behave to others. That is Yama. What is Niyama? Niyama is a सेल्फ ऑब्जर्वेंस. ओके. सेल्फ ऑब्जर्व मीन्स आप अपने साथ कैसा रह रहे हैं, हमको अपनी लाइफ को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, क्लेंजीनेस की बात होती है, कंटेनमेंट की बात होती है यहाँ पे. एंड थर्ड इज द आसना. आसना इज पॉपुलर बिकॉज दिस इज द इजिएस्ट वे टू गो थ्रू योगा. इसीलिए इतना पॉपुलर है कि एवरीवन इज सेइंग कि आई एम डूइंग योगा. तो या आई एम डूइंग योगा, बट आई नीड टू आई वांट टू say to you that yoga is not asana. Asana is a part of yoga. Next time you will go to the yoga class, say I am going to the asana class, meditation class, or pranayama class. Okay. So here is the fourth one, that is pranayama, which is breathing work. Okay, work of breathing. So and fifth one is a pratyahara. Pratyahara is a withdrawal of senses. And sixth one is dharana. What is dharana? Nowadays everyone is doing dharana and they are saying we are doing a meditation. Dharana is concentrating on any object or anything. Like if you are taking your awareness to your breathe or taking your awareness to your body, that is dharana. Then what is dhyana? Dhyana is the ultimate result of meditation. Dhyan. Okay. Dhyan is the ultimate result of dharana. सो एट द एंड जो मिलता है धारणा का वो होता है ध्यान. जब आप उस कंसंट्रेशन में इतने ज्यादा विलुप्त हो जाए कि आपको पता नहीं चले डिफरेंस क्या है आपका और उस कंसंट्रेशन का, तो दैट इज ध्यान. एंड द लास्ट वन इज समाधि, जो हमारे काम की नहीं है बिकॉज नाउ इन दिस वर्ल्ड वी डोंट वांट लिबरेशन, वी वांट टू लिव हियर एंड एंजॉय एवरीथिंग. ओके. सो समाधि इज द ब्लिस union to the higher power, or you can say liberation. Okay. So for today's session, I only take three limbs of yoga, that is asana, pranayama, and meditation. Why asana? It will cater our physical posture that build our strength and flexibility also. And second one is breath, that is pranayama. Pranayama will control breathing technique is known as pranayama. Okay, that will cater our breathing pattern. And third one is mind, that will cater meditation, that will cater our mind. So mental practice that cultivate awareness, because the meditation, what will meditation do? Meditation is a mental practices that cultivate awareness, focus, and inner calm. Okay. So that was the thing. I just want you to know, guys, what is yoga, because if you are attending any webinar who is PhD scholar also, you should know also, you should know this thing also. Okay. And scientific benefits of yoga. Being a researcher, I know there are lakhs of research is going on in yoga, not only in India but also in all over the world. So यहाँ पे वो explain करना हर एक चीज को, it's not possible. So I'll give you just 4 to 5 points so that you know कि क्या हो सकता है, कितनी अच्छी चीजें हो सकती है. तो ये रिड्यूस तो कम करता ही, स्ट्रेस तो रिड्यूस करता ही है ना योगा, बाय यूजिंग आसना, प्राणायाम एंड मेडिटेशन. एंड नर्वस सिस्टम में बहुत अच्छा इफेक्ट होता है इसका, और कंसंट्रेशन और मेमोरी भी आपकी अच्छी होती है. If I'll go in this, I can like go on and on for like 24 hours or more than 24 hours. So I'll leave it here because we have a time constraint, very little time. Already is 3:50. So what is the today's structure? Now we'll come to the today's session. Okay. First we'll do a little gentle warm up, office friendly asanas, that and after that we'll do some 2 to 3 breathing practices and little short meditation, or you can say little short dharana. And after that I'll tell you how you can incorporate all this thing in your daily life. Okay. So first I want you to all take a deep breath in and exhale. Sit at relaxation position. वेरी रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स कीजिए अपने बॉडी को. देन टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ, इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल. वेरी स्लोली इनहेल and exhale. I hope you all are ready to do some asana and pranayama with me. Are you guys ready? Can I get some comments on chat section so that I know? Are you guys ready for that? Let's start. Okay. Okay. So first sit at any comfortable position on your chair. First, we'll do the eye movement. Why eye movement? Because earlier I told you that our eyes are very important organ and that is suffering too much. Why suffering? Because we are already 10 plus hour in front of the screen. After that, we are scrolling and our all work and our all entertainment is also screen. Okay, so our eye is very important and we should take care of our eye. So we'll do some little practice. Let's start. First, look at me, then you'll copy me. Okay, we'll do 2 times. Okay, first close your eyes, then slowly open your eyes. Look up, move your eyeball to the right, then slowly down, then other side, slowly, very slowly, and up. Okay, we'll do with the inhalation. Okay, let's do one more time. Close your eyes, look up, side, right side, move your eyeballs to your down, opposite side, and back. Okay, close your eyes for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Now squeeze your face and your eyes. I know I'm looking funny. It's okay. You can laugh at me, but just do it and slowly release. Squeeze your eyes and slowly release. Okay. So this is the eye movement you can do in between working hours. Like in every 30 minutes आप कर सकते हैं बिल्कुल. Second, we'll do the neck loosening. Why neck loosening? Because all the time, if you are working in a computer or in the laptops, we are just our posture is like that. Our shoulder is hunching, our back is slouching, right? So we'll do some neck loosening practice. Okay. Try to touch your chin to your chest and slowly with the inhalation, move to your side, look up and slowly other side and down. One more time, side, up and down. Okay. So that was a neck loosening you can do. Okay. It is very good for your neck and also back also. Okay. So you can do this practice during your working hours. And third one would be a shoulder rotation, which we usually do. Okay. Place your both the hands on your shoulder and raise your hands up and make a big circle. I hope you are able to see me. While you are taking your hands up, inhale, and while you are going down, exhale. Okay. Inhale up, exhale down. So this one the third. Because we have time constraint, I'm not going for other two. Okay. Why asana at work? We have very little time. सो वाई आसना एट वर्क, बिल्कुल आसना आपके ब्लड सर्कुलेशन को इम्प्रूव करता है, स्टिफनेस को कम करता है, आपके पोस्चर को करेक्ट करता है. और डिसऑर्डर्स जो बहुत सारे डिसऑर्डर्स होते हैं, जैसे एक साथ बैठे रहने बैक पेन हो जाता है आपको, उनसे भी क्या करता है, आपको छुटकारा दिलाता है. ओके, नाउ विल कम टू द प्राणायाम प्रैक्टिस. ओके, फॉर द प्राणायाम, व्हाट इज प्राणायाम एंड व्हाट इज ब्रीदिंग. ओके, एक चीज यहाँ पे मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी. जब आप ये नोटिस करते हैं कि जब किसी की मौत होती है, मृत्यु होती है, तो क्या होता है, हम क्या बोलते हैं, उनकी आखिरी सांसें चल रही है. ओके, और जब सांस चली जाती है उसके बाद ही इंसान जो होता है वो मरता है, राइट. तो ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि श्वास से ही आपके बॉडी के सारे पार्ट्स चल रहे हैं. आपकी बॉडी के पार्ट श्वास से ही चलते हैं, कुछ और नहीं चला रहा है इसको. पहले आपकी श्वासें खत्म होंगी तब आपकी बॉडी के बाकी पार्ट जो होंगे काम करना बंद कर देंगे. सो ब्रीदिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और आप एक चीज और नोटिस करेंगे, जब आप एंशियस है, गुस्से में है, या आपको ये लग रहा है कि मतलब गुस्सा आ रहा है किसी पे, या फिर आप बहुत डरे हुए हैं, तब भी आपकी श्वासें क्या होंगी, ब्रीदिंग प्रोसेस होंगी, इट वुड बी वेरी फास्ट. और आप काम में हैं, आप यू आर इन वेरी कामनेस, आप कुछ स्पिरिचुअलिटी मंदिर जा रहे हैं या कुछ ऐसा काम कर रहे हैं, तो यू विल सी दैट योर ब्रीदिंग इज वेरी डीप एंड वेरी स्लो. सो दैट इज द थिंग. ओके. So यहाँ पे we'll do only two pranayam here. Yeah, I can say only two breathing work. First, we'll do the deep diaphragmatic breathing. What is diaphragmatic breathing? Diaphragmatic breathing is nothing. It's just an inhalation and exhalation, but will go through our diaphragm. Breathe will go through our diaphragm and थ्रू अवर स्टमक. ओके. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, नॉर्मली जब हम श्वास लेते हैं, नॉर्मली जब हम ब्रीथ करते हैं, तो क्या करते हैं, हम शैलो ब्रीथ करते हैं, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी ब्रीथ करते हैं. ऐसा बोला भी जाता है कि जिनकी श्वास का ड्यूरेशन जो बहुत लंबा होगा इनहेलेशन और एक्सेलेशन का, आप उतने साल जिएंगे. ऐसे क्या होता है, डॉग की वो उम्र कम होती है एज कम्पेयर टू ह्यूमंस. क्यों? क्योंकि वो देखिएगा बहुत जल्दी उसकी ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न बहुत फास्ट है. दैट्स व्हाई. ओके. सो यहाँ पे हम फर्स्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं डायफ्रामेटिक ब्रीदिंग. मेक श्योर आप जब भी कोई प्राणायाम करें या जब भी कोई चीजें करें, आसन करें या कुछ भी करें, तो उससे पहले आपकी जो ब्रीद वर्क है वो नॉर्मल होना चाहिए. आपकी बॉडी का ब्रीदिंग प्रोसेस नॉर्मल होना चाहिए. ओके. तो टेक अ डीप ब्रीथ इन and out, in and out, very deeply. Take a deep breath in and out. Now we'll do diaphragmatic breathing. First, take a inhale and try to feel it. Air is going through your nostril, to your neck, to your chest, to your diaphragm. And one more thing I want to tell you here. And slowly exhale. Okay. जब भी अभी हम श्वास लेते हैं तो आपका जो स्टमक है वो बलून की तरफ फूलना चाहिए. ओके. जब क्या होता है, हम श्वास लेते हैं तो आपका पेट बाहर आना चाहिए, और व्हेन वी आर एक्सेलिंग योर स्टमक शुड गो इन, योर नेवल शुड टच टू द बैक. ओके. दैट इज द आइडियल वे ऑफ ब्रीदिंग. पर हम आप नोटिस करेंगे इन जनरली वी आर नॉट डूइंग दिस. ओके. सो विल डू वन मोर टाइम. टेक अ डीप ब्रीथ इन. ट्राई टू गोइंग एयर थ्रू योर नोज, then your neck, then your chest, and into your stomach. Hold it for a second, then slowly exhale. Okay, this was a deep diaphragmatic breathing. It is very helpful when you are anxious, when you are in stress, and this can be easily done discreetly at your desk. Okay. Second pranayam we are going to do is a Nadi Shodhan pranayam, या alternate nostril pranayam. In alternate nostril pranayam, what we'll do? Place your hand Place your hand like this in front of your face. Your first finger and your second finger on your eyebrow center, and your thumb is on right side of your nose, and little finger on your left side of the nose. Okay. Or sorry, ring finger on your left side of the nose. Take a deep breath in from your left and close it left with the left finger, left nose, and release from the exhale from the right side. Then take breath in from the right side and release from the left side. Very gently, very calmly. There is no need to hurry. जितना टाइम आप ले सकते हैं easily लीजिए, और very slowly inhale कीजिए, exhale कीजिए. One last time we'll do that. Take a deep breath in from the left nostril and exhale from the right nostril. Then take in from right nostril and exhale from left. You can do this practice very easily with ease. Okay. बहुत slowly, जितना slowly आप प्राणायाम आसना कर सकते हैं, that would help you. So it is ideal during midday energy slumps and enhances focus before important tasks. Okay. So I'm not going further on it. Okay. Now we'll do some little bit 3 to 4 minute meditation, and we'll do that very fast. Okay. I know meditation can't be very fast or relaxation can be very fast, but I will try to give you just a 3 minute session. Okay. First, sit at any comfortable position on your chair. Close your eyes. Just listen my voice and follow it. Close your eyes very gently. Take a deep breath in and out. Deep breath in very slowly, very gently, and exhale completely. Okay. One more time. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Try to bring your awareness to your breath. जैसे श्वासें चल रही है, try to see that without any छेड़छाड़ on that. Just see how is your breathing is going, how air is coming from your both the nostril and going out, how it is coming from the nostril to each part of your body and slowly coming out a warm air from your nostril. Just see it, just try to feel it, bring the awareness. If during this you are having so many thoughts, that is totally okay. Just accept the thought and then bring again awareness to your breath. Accept the every thought you are having, just acceptance, and again bring back your attention to your breath. One more time, try to search, try to see the breathing process, try to feel the warmness of the breath. Just try to focus on the breath and be there for some second and try to feel the relaxation. Relax your legs, relax your stomach, relax your chest, relax your shoulder, relax your neck, relax your face. Try to relax all the body parts. Just feel the calmness, feel the steadiness of your body. Just be thankful for your body. Be thankful to your universe. Then slowly, very gently, take your time, rub your both the palms and place on your eyes and in your face, on your face. And slowly and gently open your eyes. If you are doing this with me, you can feel that there is a little bit calmness in you. And किसी ने किया है? Anyone is feeling? How all you are feeling? Can you let me know, please? Anyone was doing with me? Anyone was following my voice? Can you please tell me? Okay. Who was saying feeling good, relaxed? And what about others? Okay. Thank you. So that was a thing, and we have only 7 minutes left. So how you can incorporate in your daily life? Okay, how you can incorporate yoga in your daily life? The first one is that he take a micro breaks for macro impacts. What is that? If you'll take just 10 to 15 minutes daily, right, and during your working hours also, you can easily take 10 to 15 minutes and you can do one or two pranayam, only little bit of warm up. That will definitely gonna help you in a long run. Okay, and the second one thing is consistency. If you are doing like for a weeks, for a month, and like for a year, then you will definitely know कि छोटी सी छोटी चीज भी है वो बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट करती है. ऐसा नहीं कि आप आज एक दिन किए तो यू विल बी लाइक मुझे तो योगा आ गया और आई कैन डू वॉट एवर आई वॉन्ट. ऐसा नहीं होता. एंड वन थिंग आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू हियर कि आप जब भी योग कर रहे हैं या सीख रहे हैं तो प्लीज गो टू गुड टीचर हु इज ऑलरेडी सर्टिफाइड. बिकॉज क्या होता है बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी हैं जो आप उसमें नहीं कर सकते. खाली यूट्यूब से देख के या बहुत सारी चीजें खाली देख के नहीं कर सकते. राइट. एंड बिकॉज ये डेस्क फ्रेंडली प्रैक्टिस से है तो आप आराम से वो टाइम निकाल सकते हैं 5 to 10 मिनट. जितना आप स्क्रॉल करने में लगाते हैं उतना अगर हेल्थ के लिए आप ब्रेक में टाइम निकाल लेंगे तो वो बहुत बेटर होगा फॉर यू. और यू कैन टेक आइदर वीकली सेशन. ओके, सैटरडे संडे सेशन ले सकते हैं आप जैसे कॉर्पोरेट पे हैं तो. सो दैट वुड बी डेफिनेटली गोना हेल्प यू. I just wanted to say to you guys. And what is the key take home message? कि अगर you will be good, then definitely organization would be healthy, right? अगर employees healthy होंगे तो वो क्या क्रिएट करेंगे, हेल्दी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्रिएट करेंगे. एंड योगा क्या है, एक सस्टेनेबल कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव, कुछ पैसे नहीं लगते इसमें ज्यादा. एक मैट का भी होता है, देखिए बिना मैट के भी हमने आज योगा कर लिया. सो सस्टेनेबल एंड कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव वेलनेस सॉल्यूशन है जो कि डेफिनेटली आप इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकते हैं. आई एम फीलिंग वेरी थैंकफुल टू रेमोनेंस कि आपके हेल्थ के बारे में कॉर्पोरेट वाले इतना सोच रहे हैं कि दे आर गिविंग यू दिस सेशन. एंड thank you so much. Done from my side. If you have any question, you can ask me or write down on the chat box. I'll see and try to give some answers. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Thank you, Komal.
Any
Thank you for a
questions?
wonderful session.
Yeah, Kanchan. I don't. If you have any questions, you can mail me. You can take my mail from Kanchan also. And if you wanted to connect with me, you can connect me on LinkedIn. My name is Komal Pandey. Okay. If you want, if you have questions right now, we have like 5 minutes more, so I can give you answers. Any questions?
If anyone has a
Anyone?
question, please ask. Okay, I think Komal, nobody has a question. If they will have a, so they will reach out to me and I will forward to you.
Okay, okay. Thanks a lot, Kanchan.
Okay. Thank
Thank you
you.
for
Thank
having
you,
me.
everyone. Thank you.